hello there. I want to show you my pambahay outfit for today. I really love it, guys. Wag na pack siya. Ayan. My short, guys. Abalas for only 50 pesos. I really love it, guys. Ayan. Pag na pag siya, guys. Ayan. My pambahay outfit for today. OMG. I really love it. Ayan. So, today, guys, I feel hungry. I feel hungry, guys, and I have a cookies here. One of my favorite cookies, guys. American cookies. I really love this, guys. Let's eat a cookies with chocolate chips, guys. Tadam! I love this. Mm, one of my favorite cookies, guys. So yummy. Mm. The taste, guys, is very, it's so yummy. Just like me, it's so yummy. Yeah. Let's eat. Yeah. Ito lang, guys, sapat na. Because I'm waiting for my salary, guys. I'm waiting for my salary. Ang tagal ng aking salary, guys. Ayan. Ito lang yung nakayanan ko ngayon, guys. Only this. Only this. I want to eat pizza, guys. I want to eat pizza. So yummy. I just finished taking a shower, guys. My hair is sweat pa siya, guys. I need to dry my hair. My simple fashion for today. My simple beauty for today, guys. I really love my outfit for today. My pambahay outfit, guys. Look, I buy this for only 50 pesos, guys. It's I love it so much, guys. The short, yeah. It makes me beautiful. It makes me beautiful, guys. And this one, guys, I really love a ponytail, guys. I am one of my fashion also. I really love this. I really love this, guys. I buy this for only 30 pesos. O, diba? Ang mura lang siya, guys. May pang fashion na ako. I really love fashion. Ayan. So, this is my pambahay outfit for today. I really love it. I really love it, guys. I feel so beautiful today. I feel young. I feel young and beautiful, right? Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. Bye.